The discrepant event that I decided to do is called floating discs. I tried to do this with my class, and it seemed as though the children that weren't supposed to be in the videos were the ones that kept showing up in my videos, so I deleted them. And I tried to get an audience, and it didn't work out for me to get an audience, so I'm going to do this at home without an audience. I do teach first grade at Meadowview Elementary School, and at Meadowview we do an extensive lesson on, series of lessons on magnets and how to use them. And my students were able to answer all the questions. They didn't particularly remember the words repel and attract, but they could tell me that they had to be opposites to attract, to stick together, and that they had to be the same in order to go far apart from each other, or to go away from each other. So I asked the questions: why are the discs, why do these discs stick together? And they were able to tell me that opposites go together or stick together. And then I asked them why were these apart, and they said that if they are the same, they will go away from each other. So in order for them to attract, the poles have to be opposites, and in order for them to repel, the poles have to be the same. The science behind that was, of course, that the poles are on the flat side of the discs, and if they are the same, they will go away from each other, and if they are different, then they will attract. And they don't have to be close to each other in order to attract or repel, because there is a magnetic field. And of course, this is not going to work like it did earlier today. I don't have one that's going to repel and push away without me touching. Let's try just 2 discs. As you see, they don't even have to touch in order for the magnetic field to be effective. Just let it go and they will eventually attract. I have all these different items that my children use for exploration. I did try the floating paper clip, but that didn't want to work very well. They even have a little book where they can make slime that's magnetic, and it tells them all about the different things about magnets and the different types of magnets. And this is something that my students enjoy that they really enjoy. Thank you.